Just announced 3 days ago, this is officially the code for the low-cost Model 2 under $25,000, the NV91. All of Tesla's moves so far show that this car will come to the market for the masses in just 4 months, hitting the road in the US, Europe, and Asia. Are you still waiting? In today's video, let's see how Tesla's new factory strategy and production technology is making each Model 2 every minute, when over 2 million of these cars could finally hit the road. And what will this mean for everyday American drivers who are waiting for an affordable EV? But before we start, let's support Autogearshift by hitting that subscribe button and help us reach 12,577 subscribers. Thank you so much. What does the new code NV91 say about the progress of Model 2? On October 14th, Tesla announced that it was relaunching its $25,000 car project. The information came from a source close to the company's headquarters, who said that they are continuing to develop 2 internal projects codenamed NV91 and NV93. These models are designed to be smaller than the Model Y, aiming at the lower price segment. If you have been following Tesla's development and are looking for a more accessible electric car, this is a notable update. In Tesla's internal coding system, NV usually stands for New Vehicle, followed by a sequential number representing the specific project. This number is not random, but reflects the development order or variation of the project. The code NV9 was used for Tesla's original low-cost car project, announced in 2024. Now it is late 2025 and NV9, NV93 could be upgraded versions or branches from that. According to the project, our guess is that NV91 could represent the Model 2, a compact mass-market car, while NV93 is likely the robo-taxi version, focused on self-driving and used to build Tesla's next-generation Uber network. Sharing the same platform for the 2 projects allows Tesla to optimize production costs and technology. What does this mean for those waiting for Tesla's true low-cost car? The internal code NV91, identified as the Model 2, suggests the project has moved beyond the initial concept stage. The project has left the whiteboard, meaning Tesla has begun locking down the architecture and is in the engineering design or prototype testing phase to assess feasibility. Since late September, many ex-social media users have posted their posts of prototypes running on California roads. Many people believe that it is the newly launched Model 3, but the dimensions measured outside the black tarpaulin is estimated to be 15 to 20% shorter than the Model 3, and the lines of the hatchback design are completely unprecedented in the Tesla lineup. That is the official design of the Model 2 to date. The internal code assignment also means that Tesla has decided on capital expenditures for tooling, testing, and trial orders. It is likely that the company is officially interacting with some suppliers, preparing a preliminary bill of materials and vehicle architecture. This suggests that the Model 2 is preparing for mass production, which could start in the 4th quarter of 2025, or even as early as November. Which factory will produce the Model 2 and when will it launch? Tesla is strategically deploying the Model 2 project, a low-cost car that Elon Musk is aiming for the global market to meet diverse needs. According to the plan, the company will use 3 main factories to produce Model 2 in the first phase, from the 4th quarter of 2025 to the 2nd quarter of 2026. This allocation not only optimizes the supply chain but also reduces logistics costs, helping Tesla quickly capture regional markets. The factories include Gigafactory Shanghai in China, Gigafactory Texas in the US, and Gigafactory Berlin in Germany. Gigafactory Texas will play a key role in the production of Model 2, expected to account for about 50% of the total global output. The factory is being expanded with a dedicated mega factory for the Model 2, and signs of retooling began in early October, shortly after completing deliveries for the 3rd quarter. This is the first location to use the unboxed process, a breakthrough technology recently patented by Tesla, with a level of automation of up to 98%. This process uses the world's largest gigapress, with a pressing force of 50,000 tons, allowing the entire Model 2 body to be cast in 3 large blocks, front, middle, and rear, reducing the number of welds by 70%. The result is a 45% reduction in production costs, a 60% reduction in assembly time, and each chassis can be completed in just 20 seconds. This reflects Elon Musk's determination to regain market share in the US, directly competing with rivals like the Chevrolet Bolt and imported cars from China. Initial production is expected to reach 1 million vehicles per year, with the potential to double in the long term. Next, Gigafactory Shanghai will produce Model 2S for the Asia-Pacific market, accounting for about 30% of global production. The factory has implemented the unboxing process for the Model Y since 2024, achieving an impressive production speed of just 35 seconds per car, with 85% automation, though slightly lower than Texas. With a current capacity of about 600,000 vehicles per year, Shanghai will focus on serving China, 70%, India, 15%, and the ASEAN region, 15%. Taking advantage of the high demand for compact electric vehicles in crowded urban areas such as Beijing or Mumbai. Choosing Shanghai as the Asian hub for the Model 2 will allow Tesla to take advantage of low production costs and a local supply network, ensuring the Model 2 is price competitive in rapidly growing markets. The Gigafactory Berlin in Germany will focus on the European market, expected to account for 20% of production. The factory currently exports vehicles to more than 30 countries, including Canada, and ramping up Model 2 production will create a low-cost gateway into Europe. In 2024, Berlin produced around 400,000 vehicles, mostly Model Y, and is testing the unboxing process. The current automation level is 80%, but Tesla is addressing the challenge of high labor costs in Germany by increasing this to 90% by early 2026, while also working with European suppliers to comply with EU regulations on battery recycling. This will allow the Model 2 to compete not only on price but also on quality and sustainability, in line with the strict standards of the European market. So the combination of these 3 factories will help Tesla achieve a total production of more than 2 million Model 2 vehicles by 2026, with prices ranging from $17,000 to $19,000 USD, depending on the market. The first launch market is expected to be the US in just 4 months, taking advantage of incentives from the Inflation Reduction Act and a joint production platform with Robotaxi to reduce the price to below $15,000 USD. This is a smart strategy for Tesla to expand globally, and if you are interested in the Model 2, stay tuned for further updates. Which factory do you think will contribute the most? Share your thoughts in the comments, and remember to like and share if you find the analysis useful. We will continue to update new information. What new battery technologies will be applied to the Model 2? The insider information for the current version shows that Tesla is researching new battery technologies to replace traditional lithium and apply them directly to the upcoming Model 2. This means that the upcoming Model 2 driver can choose for himself a battery pack that best suits his driving needs. Let's see what Tesla will bring. First is the LFP battery, a combination of traditional lithium iron phosphate and NMC nickel manganese cobalt cathode, or recycled material. This type of battery improves overall performance with an energy density of 200 to 250 watt-hours per kilogram, allowing the Model 2 to achieve a driving range of 320 to 350 miles with only 55 kilowatts of capacity, a 20 to 30% increase compared to pure LFP. In addition, it supports fast charging at 150 to 200 kilowatts, reaching 80% capacity in just 18 minutes. This is a balanced choice between cost and performance, suitable for those who prioritize durability and affordability. Next, sodium-ion batteries offer a more balanced performance with an energy density of 300 to 320 watt-hours per kilogram giving the Model 2 a range of 380 to 400 miles with a capacity of 75 kilowatt hours. The highlight is the low production cost of less than $30 per kilowatt hour, 70% cheaper than conventional lithium-ion, and a lifespan of up to 7,500 charge cycles, with only a 5% loss of capacity. The battery charges quickly at 150 kilowatts, reaches 80% in 10 minutes, and operates stably in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, reducing the risk of fire by about 30%. With the advantage of cost and durability, salt batteries are ideal for urban markets with high daily usage and also in places with extreme weather, extreme heat, or cold. Finally, aluminum-ion, which uses recycled aluminum as the anode and graphene as the cathode, delivers breakthrough performance with an energy density of 380 to 400 watt-hours per kilogram, giving the Model 2 a range of 450 to 5,000 with a capacity of 78 kilowatt hours. This battery technology is capable of super-fast charging, 100% in 7 minutes at 250 kilowatts. Their lifespan is incredibly durable, reaching 10 to 12,000 cycles with less than 5% capacity loss thanks to chemical stability in the battery structure. Production costs are around $80 per kilowatt hour thanks to abundant aluminum, 40% cheaper than today's standard lithium batteries. This will be the choice for those who prefer fast charging, less downtime, long driving distance on a single charge, and especially value safety. All three battery types, LFP, salt, and aluminum, improve the overall performance of the Model 2 while reducing the cost compared to current lithium batteries. LFP and salt batteries have passed the testing phase and are ready for mass production with the Model 2, while aluminum batteries are in the final testing phase, expected to be launched in the next update. This diversity helps Tesla meet the diverse needs of customers, from urban users to those who need to travel long distances. If you are most interested in which battery technology for the Model 2, share your opinion in the comments section. After all, the low-cost Model 2 is real, and it's coming. The only question here is whether you are ready to get one or not. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. We've got plenty more insights coming your way very soon. Until then, drive safe, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.